In this video, we're going to learn how to install the Java JDK on Microsoft Windows. And if you want to get updates on my new content, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the like button. All right, let's dive in and get started. So the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and visit a website. So visit the website that I have here on this screen. And once you're on this website here, you can download the version of the JDK that you want for your computer. And just a heads up, the JDK versions may be different because there's new JDK versions that are released on a regular basis. But the steps in this video work with any version of the JDK. We'll choose the Windows zip file, and we'll save this file to our computer. And this will download accordingly. Go ahead and select the option here to view the downloads. We'll choose that downloads location. And this basically brings you to the downloads folder on your file system. I'll go ahead and select that file that I just downloaded and I'll say extract. I'll make a slight change here to the path. So I'll remove the /downloads from the path and just have it place it in my user directory. And I'll choose the extract button and it'll go ahead and extract the file. This will take a while, so feel free to speed up the video as needed. Okay, so we have the file extracted. And the next step here, we want to edit the environment variables to make use of the JDK. I'll move down here to the bottom left. I'll choose Start and I'll choose Settings. And this will open up my Windows settings. In this box here, I'll type in Environment. We'll choose the option for Edit Environment Variables for your account. This will bring up this dialog here. And what we'll do is we'll create a new environment variable for Java Home. It's a special environment variable that's used by the Java system. I'll choose New. And for the variable name, we'll give it Java_home, just like you see here on the screen. For the actual value, we'll make use of the browse directory to actually browse to where our JDK directory is. On my file system, it's in my users directory under Love to Code. And I'll select this Open JDK and the JDK version. That's what we downloaded and extracted earlier in the video. And your screen should look similar to what I have here on my screen. Of course, your username will be different. All right, so that looks good. Now we're going to edit the environment variable for the path to include a reference to our JDK path. So I'll select the path variable here and I'll choose Edit. I'll click the New button and I'll give %Java_home %\bin. So this will actually refer to the other environment variable that we created earlier using the %. And then I'll move this up to make sure that this value appears before the other values here. So you should have Java home /bin listed first, and then click OK. All right, so this looks pretty good. Go ahead and click on OK. And let's go ahead and verify the installation. I'll open up a command prompt window. I'll type in CMD. I'll select the command prompt app. and it'll open up this window. And at the prompt, go ahead and type echo %Java_home%. All right, success. You should see an entry similar to what we have here. And now let's type in Java -- version. And success again. So once you have these two items working properly, then you have the Java JDK installed successfully. I'll go ahead and do a quick cleanup. I'll type exit here in this command prompt window to close it off. And then I'll close off my other dialogues. In this video, we were successful in installing the Java JDK on Microsoft Windows. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, click the subscribe, and I'll see ya in the next video.